Have you ever stopped to admire the incredible beauty of a wild bird? These beautiful creatures may look small and delicate, but they are an important part of nature. With their graceful movements, colorful feathers, and unique behaviors, birds make the natural world even more fascinating. Watch closely as this bird moves through its surroundings, searching for food, staying alert, and simply enjoying life in the wild. Every feather, every movement, and every little sound tells a story. Birds are not just beautiful to watch, they also help maintain the balance of our ecosystem by spreading seeds, controlling insects, and supporting the natural environment. Moments like this remind us that nature is full of beauty when we take the time to look closely. This is Natural Beauty and Animals, where we bring you closer to amazing birds, wildlife, and the beauty of nature.